Hey, they got a little something about asteroid Vesta. Yeah, it says when Dawn entered orbit around the asteroid in July, they expected the probe to reveal some surprising things, but nobody expected the 13-mile-high mountain, 2.5 times higher than Mount Everest, to be one of them. The existence of the towering peak could solve a long-standing mystery. How did so many pieces of Vesta end up right here on our own planet? And this is what they're saying. Side view of the Great South Polar Mountain. You can click that for some more. Oh well. It could be a false picture because it looks pretty black. I don't see nothing back there. No star, not even one. No, it could be a false horizon. Could be a fake picture. Maybe, maybe not. For many years, they've been collecting meteorites from fall sites around the world. Their chemical fingerprints leave little doubt that they came from that asteroid, which they say is a giant one. Earth has been peppered by fragments. The people have actually witnessed the fireballs by the meteors tearing through the atmosphere. And the recent examples include the African village of Balangayanga in '99 and in Australia in October of 1960. And the meteorites just might be pieces of the basin excavated when the giant mountain formed. He believes it was Chris Russell of UCLA, believes the mountain was created by a big bad impact with a smaller body. And the stuff that got blowed off of it displaced, rebounded, expanded upward to form a towering peak. The same tremendous collision that created the mountain might have hurled splinters of it towards the earth. Some of the pieces they have in the labs, meteorites, the museums, could be fragments. Pieces of the same stuff the mountain's made of. To confirm the theory, the Dawn team, space team, science team, will try to prove that the meteorites came from the mountain vicinity. They claim Vesta formed at the dawn of the solar system. That's a long time ago. Billions of years, with collisions with other rocks that have given it a densely cratered surface. Okay. The surface around the mountain is, however, smooth, and he believes the impact wiped out the entire history of cratering. They claim that by counting the craters, they can estimate the age of the landscape. This is a cross-section of the South Polar Mountain. Cross-section of Olympus Mons on Mars, the largest mountain in the solar system, and the big island of Hawaii is measured from the floor of the Pacific, the largest mountain on Earth. The latter two mountains are both shield volcanoes. In this way, we can figure the approximate age of the mountain's surface using radioactive dating. We can tell when the meteorites were liberated from Vesta. A match between those dates would be compelling evidence. Meteorite mountain connection. For more proof, they will compare the meteorite's chemical makeup to that of the mountain area. It's intrinsically but subtly colorful. The Dawn sensors can detect slight color variations in the minerals, so we can map regions of chemicals and minerals that have emerged on the surface. And then we'll compare these colors to those of the meteorites. Could an impact on Vesta really fill so many museum display cases on Earth? Stay tuned for answers. Okay. Well, that's what they have. There's some more information. After revealing more Vesta surprises, Dawn will depart next summer for Ceres, where it'll arrive in 2015. A dwarf Ceres. Dawn's mission to Vesta and Ceres is managed by JPL. Okay. Well. Oh yeah. If this is a link you click on Space Weather on the home page. There's two links there. If you click the other one, it's asking you. It will take you somewhere, and you'll go to a site, and it's a sales site, and it's where you can buy a piece of asteroid Vesta. So the next time you can't figure out what type of gift to get that special someone, well, now I already went there and looked. I think it was $34.95. You can order a piece of asteroid Vesta. So, this is the artist's rendition, estimated from data. Well, it looks like an egg from the data. Kind of like, not quite as ovular as an egg. Kind of golf ball-y looking. Pretty well smooth. Little tiny knobby stuff. I mean, not really big ones. That's the way they're showing it. And this is Dawn up here they were talking about. You can click that and that'll bring that up, and you can see the instrument they're using to get all this data that they're wanting. Okay, and this was today. As the sun was going down, it was getting dark. I just happened to be where I could pop this out, take a nice little picture. There's some pretty colors in it, and the clouds, well, they look kind of funny. It was different. They had a bunch of like reddish, orange. Oop, what happened? You didn't want to work with me, huh? Here we go. They just look like they made a kind of strange shape a little bit, and up there in the upper left you can see it kind of looked like a chemtrail, like he was trying, or maybe it was condensation. I couldn't see a plane though, actually, but it might just be a piece of a cloud. But the other ones, boy, they look really cool, to tell you the truth. That's why I'm glad I was able to get this, because this is not really as good as what it looked like. And I'm just kind of walking around, checking things out in different colors, different shapes. and I would be going west to east. Straight up, well, not quite straight up. That was kind of to the south, a little bit east. But now I'm looking straight up over my head. And actually I couldn't really tell for sure, because it's a little bit darker looking here than what it really looks like on the film. But I couldn't tell for sure if that was a chemtrail. I wanted to say it was, but then again, there would be portions that look cloudage. And there'd be some spots that look like possibility. Nice and yellow, orangey, reddish. I didn't see any green anywhere though. I thought maybe we were catching some aurora or something a little bit, because the way the coloring looked. But I'm not ready to say that was because of that. Well, y'all do anything on the weekend? Yeah, you're gonna be driving. Maybe you're gonna tip a beer or something. Be safe. Be careful. Have somebody that's not drinking or anything do your driving for you, or just stay home and chill. But enjoy. We're rolling into 2012. God bless everybody. I'll talk to you tomorrow night. I'll probably send you some New Year's cheer. I'll talk to you then.